Consulting firms are heavily investing in AI to improve productivity. All AI needs context. For consulting firms, all of that context from your projects is littered with confidential client data. If you feed confidential decks to AI, you risk reputational damage from leaking that client data. Consultants sanitizing by hand can't keep up, so headcount and costs climb. And as staffing pyramids shift, that burden moves towards more expensive people. Sanitization is a critical bottleneck for AI enablement. Knovari eliminates this sanitization bottleneck. It was built by strategy consultants exactly for the consulting use case. It's trained on consulting scenarios, detecting private and client-identifying information. It cleanses at the code level to strip hidden traces like logo URLs and embedded chart data. And every change is logged, highlighted, and explained to give trust to your compliance teams. Let's see Knovari in action. Select a treatment profile and then upload one or multiple presentations. What's a treatment profile, you ask? This is where Knovari gets really clever. Knovari works on concepts, not keywords. Then users decide how each concept is handled. Redact, replace, obfuscate, or just keep it as is. Save them as templates and apply them based on how the deck will be used or by, for example, your client's risk level. Then open any deck to review it side by side. The original on the left, the sanitized version on the right. See how deeply it understands the consulting context. The client logo is removed. The Harvey balls, recognized as tied to that logo and therefore carrying non-public detail, are removed with it. Semantic replacement of text preserves the storyline and the message of your presentations. A generic AI tool would delete this whole page or none of it. Knovari, however, finds exactly the parts tied to the client, down to shapes like these color-coded circles, and keeps the remaining insights and data. Another example of Knovari surgical sanitization. Only information about the client is removed, both text and graphics. Non-client information is deliberately preserved. And critically, Knovari goes much deeper than what you can see. The chart on the left looks clean, but the client is still inside the file, in the embedded spreadsheet, the workbook name, and even a link to a logo. Knovari sanitizes down to the XML itself, so nothing sensitive survives. And yes, it is compatible with ThinkCell charts. Choosing Knovari gets you three things. First, unlocking trapped knowledge, 4 to 10 times more IP, and critically in a fraction of the time. Second, reduce data leakage risk. Human sanitization is highly error-prone and does not happen at the code level. And thirdly, improve your return on AI investment. Larger and richer context to safely ground your AI platforms and agents. Safely unlock your knowledge so that your AI investments have critical context. Don't be left behind.